audience at home. Hi.
Welcome
Hi to you.
to
We are now in the Achula Lake. It's amazing here.
Lovely, gorgeous.
If you take a look at my right, this is my retarded friend, Elad Fadlon.
From
And
my
he's
left, you
driving
can
with
see my
me.
bed. I don't really know what it is in the store. They told me it's a pixie, but
Take a look at your left.
Yeah,
Take a look at your left, please. It's our driver. In Hebrew, we call him Gal Mazor. In English, we used to call him Negro. He's the Negro of this journey. Now, take a look at your right. These bushes are called sirpadim. You don't want to wipe your ass with it. I've tried it.
My balls. Oh.
I tried to wipe my ass with it. A month in the hospital will change your mind, I promise. Now, take a look at your right. This is Roy Borochov. He doesn't know how to drive, so he's using our vehicle.
Yes, I'm using this,
Now,
this vehicle. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Holy shit! It's an accident! Holy shit! We lost him! Oh my god! That was gorgeous. Now, we keep on driving towards the Achula Lake, and now we will meet Bert. Thank you. We'll see you after the commercials.